that it shine on the sauce. Just look on the brand name on the sauce. Can you see the brand name? Brand name here. Seen that? That's me. So when you tell the Olympic champion to buy sauce, I'm smiling at you. I make everything. I make my bread if I want. I'm a baker. I'm a chef. I can do patisserie. I work in five-star hotel. I've been in 3 culinary competition. So believe me, I've been there. Pastry, pantry, soup, sauce, fine dine, you name it. Linden been there. I'm gonna show you something again, but don't cry. This is a jerk sauce. Just tell me what brand did you see on this? Not a Linden. Don't let me go for the rest of stuff. Marinade, Linden. Curry, Linden. All purpose, Linden. So now you get it. I know you get it. All right. So with me,